Today, I'm in Highlands Point at Havila Township in Taytay, Rizal. And yung nasa likod ko po, ito po yung main gate ng Havila along Cabrera Road, Taytay. It's only 1 kilometer away from the Tikling Rotonda. For today, I'm going to have a drive tour in Highlands Point and mag-stop over na rin tayo sa mga resale lot offerings namin here in HP. And if you're looking for a lot for investment in Highlands Point, please watch this. So yun, tara mga kabahay, drive tour tayo in Highlands Point, Havila Township in Taytay, Rizal. So mga kabahay, ang first stop natin is resale lot in York Street. First stop mga kabahay is this lot located in Highlands Point Phase 1, Block 9, Lot 5. Lot area is 328 square meter. And our second stop mga kabahay is again located ulit sa Highlands Point Phase 1 in Block 2, Lot 3. Lot area is 293 square meter. So yung mga kabahay na ipakita ko sa inyo yung first and second stop natin, resale lot, 293 and 328 square meter. Next is puntahan naman natin yung amenity area ng Highlands Point. And our third stop mga kabahay is the amenity area of Highlands Point. Highlands Point nga pala is an upscale subdivision inside Havila. And because it's an upscale, so malaki din yung amenity area ng Highlands Point. So tara po, samahan nyo ako. Ikutin natin. So yung mga kabahay, inikot ko kayo kanina sa amenity area ng Highlands Point. So meron po tayong covered court, meron tayong multipurpose clubhouse, tennis court, swimming pool, and now let's continue our drive tour sa mga resale lot namin here in Phase 2. And our third lot mga kabahay na for sale here in Highlands Point is this lot located in Block 4, Lot 11. Lot area is 421 square meter. Tara po silipin natin. And our next stop mga kabahay is this lot located in Aston Street. Lot area is 305 square meter. So yung mga kabahay, kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung 421 and 305 square meter na resale lot located in Phase 2, Highlands Point. Ngayon, puntahan naman natin yung available namin sa The Villas 1. So yung the Villas 1 is located lamang po near the amenity area. So maglalap tayo dyan and nasa right banda ang entrance ng the Villas. So yan po ang entrance ng the Villas. Pasok po tayo. And now mga kabahay, nasa The Villas tayo and I'm going to show you yung resale offerings namin dito. Dalawa po actually. And yung isa is itong nasa likod ko. Lot area is 348 square meter located in Block 19, Lot 15. And my second offering, mga kabahay, here in the Villas is this lot. Lot area is 188 square meter. Tara po, silipin natin. And yung mga kabahay, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung The Villas resale lot offerings namin. And now naman, ipapakita ko yung isa sa mga prime offerings ko, 337 ng lot area, located in Newport Street. Tara po, samahan niyo ako. So, we are in Newport Street. So, tara, mga kabahay, puntahan natin. Welcome back mga kabahay. Save the best for last. And last na ipapakita ko is yung pinaka very prime na resale lot offerings ko. Located in Phase 2, New York Street. Lot area is 337 square meter. So, tara, silipin po natin. Very prime po ang location nito. 337 square meter. So, yung lot is nag-start here. So, yan, may arrow po. And then, hanggang dun po sa boundary, yung may yellow na color green. Uphill. And then, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kataas pa ang location nito. Overlooking po. So yan, hanggang dyan po ang boundary. And then, hanggang doon naman po sa taas. Oh. Tingnan natin yung taas kung gaano, kung ano ang view. So yan mga kabahay, ito po ang view from the lot. So yun po ang skyline. So nasa part tayo ng Highlands Point Phase 2. So yung mga kabahay, I've shown you yung mga resale lots na available here in Highlands Point. And if you're interested sa mga pinakita ko po kanina, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.